Hey everybody, what's going on? Hippie here. So I got so sidetracked with repinning this thing, I forgot the most important part, which was to pick it. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna pick it. At least we're gonna try to. All right, let's see if we can get lucky on this thing. Haven't been doing too hot with other locks, so why would this one be any different? All right. Let's see what kind of damage we can do here. Oh, hit the camera. Hey, look at that. Good Lord. All right. A little Schlage picked it open. Just hook it. Anyways, get that out of the way. All right, guys. There you go. What's going on? Picked and opened. So that's all I got for this one, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed. I know it's not anything spectacular. It's just a little Schlage kick. And it's all standards. Just slowly kind of picking away at it. So hopefully you guys enjoyed. Catch you guys later.